Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to show comments on the right side in Microsoft Word while reviewing or editing our document. Comments are a powerful feature that allows you to add notes, suggestions and feedback without changing the original text. In this video, we will discover how to enable markup view and comment display settings so that all comments appear clearly on the right margin of the document, making collaboration and editing much easier. Then let's get started. We can see here many page. This is the assignment. Now I want to show the comment on the right side of the page. At first I did the comment. Now I select the text and go to the review menu, then click new comment option. Now I am write some comment like nice, then we click this show comment option and we can see here automatically show the comment on the right side. You can again click show, then hide this comment. Otherwise you can click this option here, show the comment. Now you can see we show the comment on the right side of the page very easily. I hope you understand this process. This process is very easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.